Yeah, so these cedars, dude, I planted when I was like in Beavers or in Cub Scouts. Actually, I think we did it together, the Cubs and the Boy Scouts. Oh, look at all that beers. That guy was looking for cans. He's at the wrong spot. There's a six-pack right there. Let's go down and check this out real quick. Oh, another. Oh, dude. Look at this. Wonder if there's a homeless encampment here. It'd be a good spot for one. You get yourself one of those windmills to generate you some power. Oh yeah. Let's get down in here. Listen to this water, man. Oh, the SS was here. The SS Minnow. Look at this. This fire's still smoldering. We're on the right trail. See that? That's pretty warm. It's still pretty warm. We should have brought some hot dogs. Oh, the sailboats are way gone now. I should have caught them when we were on the other side, so we were just over there. Wow. Some corn. Fresh corn.